Good morning, children. So today in this session we will be learning the concepts of sets and the basic operations on the sets. So the points which we are going to cover are, so first I will be writing the chapter name, sets and basic operations on sets. So in this we will be covering concept of set, union of sets, intersection of sets. Now, before starting union and intersection of sets, let me explain what is a set. Now, for understanding the concept of a set, first I will be taking one example. Pen, pencil, a ruler, compass. Now, by seeing, one can understand that these are the instruments of a geometrical box. Now, we can find a common relation between pen, pencil, ruler, compass. That is, they belong to a geometrical box. Now, if I add one thing, that is a watch. Now, can you say these are the instruments in geometrical box? No, this is not the instruments of a geometrical box. So clearly we can understand that we can define a set can be defined as collection of well-defined objects. Collection of well-defined objects. So here well-defined indicates a relation between the objects of a set. Now, in common, objects of a set are called as elements. Objects of a set are called elements. Now, with this example, I think you got a clear picture about the concept of a set. So, let me take one more example. Rose, jasmine, lily, etc. Now, this is also the objects of a set, because what is the common relation between them? These are flowers. So now I can define a set F as set of flowers. So a set can be defined using the braces, and the objects of a set are to be separated using the commas, and the objects of a set are called as elements. So here onwards I will be saying the elements of a set. So this is just a simple introduction of a set. Now let us go to our concept directly, union of sets. Now union of sets. Now A is equal to a set with the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and B is another set which contains the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the name itself, union denotes combine or unity, combination. So the name itself says the union of sets is nothing but combining the two sets. So, and it is denoted by A union. This is the symbol for union. A union B. And A union B is a set which contains the elements of A as well as the elements of B. So what are the elements now in A union B? 1, I will be writing in the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So A union B is a new set which is formed by combining the elements of A as well as B. And if you observe set A and set B, it contains 8 and 10 as repeated elements. But the union of set will not be repeated. So the general rule of a set is we should not repeat the elements in a set. So that's why A union B contains 1 to 10. So this is how we will be writing. Now what is the definition of a set A union B? A union B is the set containing the elements of A as well as B, and it is denoted by A union. Now, I want to write the set builder form of A union. So, what is the set builder form? Set builder form is the rule, notation, or defining a set using a common rule which will be applicable to all the elements of the set. So, A union B, the set builder form for A union B is nothing but, so each and every element I am treating as X, such that X belongs to, this is the symbol belongs to set A, or X belongs to set B. This is the set builder form for A union B. Now here R denotes the elements may belong to set A, or elements may belong to set B, or the elements may belong both A and B. But while writing A union B, the elements cannot be repeated. So this is the set builder form of A union B. Then what is Venn diagram for A union B? Venn diagram. So we know that Venn diagram are used to represent the set in the form of pictures. So in general, we will be taking a circle to denote the sets, that is A and B, and we have to keep this in the rectangular box which is called universal set. Now set A, what are the elements of set A? First of all, this is the common location. So in the common region, what are the elements? 8 and 10. So here I am writing 8 and 10. Now what are the elements of set A? 2, 4, 6. So here I am writing 2, 4, 6. Now the elements of set B are 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the common elements are 8 and 10. So the 8 and 10 belongs to A as well as 8 and 10 belongs to B. So the remaining elements can be written as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is the overlapping diagram. This is called the overlapping diagram for Venn diagram for A union B. Now sometimes in examinations they won't give set A and set B. The simple question will be represent A union B in Venn diagrams. Now in this case, what can be done?